I recognize that he's the source, I recognize that even if I'm in the fiery furnace of affliction, and the fire's turned up 7 times. There's somebody in the church right now, you feel as if the fire of affliction, the fire of misalignment, the fire of lack has been turned up 7 times in your life. But just know that just like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, we talked about Nebuchadnezzar in Sunday school today. As they were in the fiery furnace, the Lord showed up, and Nebuchadnezzar had enough discernment and understanding to say, did we not throw 3 into the fiery furnace, but there are 4, and one looks like the Son of God? Yes, that was a theophany, a Christophany, a pre-incarnate manifestation of Jesus Christ in the Old Testament.